my new teacher in my class, I could do whatever she tells us to do. She says, how do? And you say, God, like that loud.
What are you talking about?
And now we have to just keep going.
What are you talking about?
Daddy, slow down. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hi, everybody. Today, we will be playing with my cards. And we will be playing with the matching ones. And if I don't match any of them, put it back. And if I match, I put it over there. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take this one. And this one. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah.
Where'd you get this game from?
Brown sugar box.
A brown sugar box?
Yes. That has the earrings. That has my favorite pretty things on. And this one. Don't worry about it.
What else did you get in there?
I got some headphones, but they don't fit my head anymore because it's too small.
So I guess you need a new brown sugar box, right?
I'm getting too many brown sugar boxes. Right, everybody?
Maybe you need a lot more. Maybe.
No. It will fill the whole house, and then the house will break, and then we will have no house to live in.
So no more brown sugar boxes?
Okay, more brown sugar boxes. Let's finish the rest of the game. Mermaid Lagoon. You want to be in the Mermaid Lagoon? You want to be a mermaid. Then you would have no legs. How does this feel? Is it the same? Tell me, is it the same, Daddy?
No, they're not the same.
Good for telling me. I see. They're all girls. That's how the way it's played. See? I know, it's not the same. I got the hiccups. When my tummy goes up and down so quickly, that means I got the hiccups. Sorry. I know, it's not the same.
You're not finding anything. Oh my gosh.
I have to do the focus. Is it that one? Let's see. It's because of my hiccup. I can't help it, anybody. I can't help it.
Sit down. You messing up the camera frame. What do you think we should do? Should we take a break?
I think we should count to 1 to any number, then the hiccup.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I still got the hiccups.
You're faking it. You don't have it anymore. You're faking You're faking it.
No, I'm not.
All right, pick the next one. Sit down. I can't see
I know it's not the same. Can see all of us?
Yeah.
It's that. I know it's not the same.
Maybe you're not very good at this game.
I'm good at this game. It's just like one day I'll get better.
You know who the prettiest girl in the world is?
Me! Me!
That's what I'm talking about.
A pirate. A farmer. Pirate and farmer. I know it doesn't match. Together. doesn't match. Okay, everybody. I think I did all of them. Sometimes I get a little bit tired. Okay. That's all for today. And Me and My Hiccup. Between Me and My Hiccup. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Where you going? You didn't even do nothing.
Daddy.
Oh, you trying to cut?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wait. Do your outro again. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Subscribe to my channel.
Cut. No. Can we do this again? Cut. No, they didn't like it.
Daddy, I forgot to.
Why are you on the chair? Sit.
Daddy.
Sit down.
Daddy, I can't do it over and over. I'm not doing it over and over.
Okay, sit down.
Subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you next time. Bye.
You are such a diva. Oh my gosh. Do you need hair and makeup done now?
I don't have makeup on. I'm not allowed.
Exactly, because Daddy don't play that.
I respect that.
You what?
I really do.
You respect the fact that I don't like it.
I don't respect that. I respect the respect.
Cut. No.